Divas and Divos, happy new year. I wish us all nothing but blessings and being prosperous and all that goodness. Oh my God, it's so hot in here just now. Wow. Yeah. So I hope everyone had a safe New Year's look. It's actually New Year's Eve. In about 30 minutes, it'll be New Year's Day. And I am here doing tutorials. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this New Year look. New Year look. I don't know. I'm tired, but I want to finish filming all these things that I need to finish filming. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, we'll go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage, Divas and Divos. Alright, Divas and Divos, so I have just recently started doing my brows last. So I have just concealer on underneath here, and I have laying low on my lid. So I'm going to work from these two palettes here because you will be getting this one. Okay. Also, I do have my backdrop on. Just thought I remembered that part. So I'm going to go in with Pinker. This dense brush. So I'm going to go in with Pinker from the Anastasia palette. If I can open the Huda palette. And I'm just going to brush up like this and start cuffing right into that socket part. So I hope everyone has had a safe what is it called? New Year's. I didn't do too much. My husband did have some of his friends come over, and I made my family's tradition, which is Hob and John's and collard greens. He actually made a brisket, ribs, and baked chicken on the grill. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's quite nice. I never used Pinker before. This is my first time. So, okay, so now that we have those two on, looking all cute there. I am going to take Big Wig and a MAC 217 brush, and this was I used a Makeup Shack 270 brush. So I'm going to take a MAC 217 and Big Wig and start putting that on the outer V, and then kind of working that part into the crease. And my daughter wasn't feeling too well, but she had just had treatment, so it was okay. She didn't go into the hospital. Well, I can't say nothing just yet because it's only 10:45, so we'll see. Yes, it's New Year's Eve night and I'm doing this. I want to have a look for the new year. Okay. I do see like it just looks a little deeper than, not deeper. It's not patchy, but I can clearly see a difference. Like it's more depth, like almost like a cut crease in my crease. But all in all, it's cute. I like it. All right, now we got that on. I want to make it a little deeper and go in with this color right here. And I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to flip it around. Yeah, so we just decided to stay home. Hopefully nothing will pop off. Everything will be alright with Johnny. Alright. Let's go in with a flat shader brush, which is a 242 brush from MAC. I'm just going to use this color on the lid. But yeah, we're not going anywhere. We're not that type of people, I guess. I don't know. That's cute. I don't want to say we're not that type of people because we love to entertain. So I'm not going to say that. Just right now we're in a shell. But that's going to change. I like this color. I like this whole get up. I kind of want to go somewhere now. I want to take dollars and put dollars right in the center and see how that looks. So I'm going to just flip that shader brush over. It's a cute little pop. So I'm going to go in with Zam and another flat shader brush, which is the 242 brush, and just go into the inner tear ducts with it. Ooh, ooh. Alright, so I am going to do my base, come back, and we'll talk about the look. Alright, so I know I'm looking a little light in the face, okay? I know I am. And it's because the concealer that I'm using, or my current fave, is in the bucket. And this is what I saw. So this is what it is. Also, the face powder is in the bucket. Contour and stuff in the bucket. This is what it is. Alright. It doesn't look too bad. But we'll press on. We'll press on. So I'm just going to use I believe this is I forgot. I can't think. But it's the IB 130 Flatliner Camo brush. I'm just going to take this color right here and line the top of my eye with it. So we're going to go in with Big Wig and this pencil brush here. We're just going to put that underneath my eye. And I actually already put liner on my eye. It's from Wet n Wild. It's like a brown color. I think it's like brown mink or something like that. I want to kind of put that pinky tone in there, so I'm gonna go in with pinker. And this is the crown. That's what it is. It was a crown brush. So I'm gonna go in with Royal and Lane Nickel Balm 17, the Uoma, and pick up pinker and go underneath that and just kind of wrap that underneath there. And so what if it changes the color? We're going to change it anyways. Make sure we're just hugging this part here. I'm going to take the same liner brush, the crown brush. It's a crown brush. And I'm going to go in with dollars. And put that at the lash line. Alright, so yeah, this is it. I really don't like that powder on top of hair. I think I'm gonna dig in there and just buff on it and do my buffing technique. Yeah, so I'm not gonna throw any lashes, but I am gonna put on a lippie, maybe some highlighter and stuff. Come back. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. On my lip, I lined my lip with ColourPop Feminist. Make sure that's what it is. Yep. And ColourPop's Frida. My highlighter came from my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Medium Dark. And that is what I used on my face. Oh, and I did use my buffing technique, so it looks a little better, but it is what it is. Oh, and my lip gloss is Saucy from Morphe. There's no lashes because I didn't feel like putting them on, and then I'm gonna have to take them off. Oh, it's almost time. So yeah. Yeah, Divas. I hope you enjoyed this New Year's look, and we're gonna keep rolling. And let me say hey to my new subscribers. What's up? Do what it do. I don't even know what I was gonna say. It went right on out. So yeah, Divas and Divos, I'm just going to go ahead and thank y'all for watching and rating, subscribing, all that good jazz. That makes me feel so good inside. Peace and peace. Bye.